Hey lovelies, it's Tracy. Holiday season is here, and I have a great suggestion for you if you have friends that do their own nails. This is the three-piece manicure kit from Butter of Linden. It includes one of my favorite products from them, which is the Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator. This is really nice because all you have to do is apply it to the nails, let it sit for about 2 minutes, push back your cuticles. The kit comes with a glass cuticle pusher, which is really, really comfortable. I thought this would be weird and maybe a little bit rough, but it feels much nicer against the cuticle than a typical orange wood stick would. It has a pointed side on there, so you can also clean underneath the nails. The kit comes with a glass nail file as well. I have some tactile issues, so filing with this nail file to me was a little cringeworthy, but I don't think it's going to bother most people. I was a teacher and wrote on the chalkboard, and there's a sensation there that I have never recovered from. But I found that this files beautifully on my recovering natural nails, and I'm looking forward to having it in my routine after I put my acrylics back on, because sometimes I need to shape, and I find that the traditional hard files are a little bit too rough. So I think this would be beautiful for my acrylics. So all three pieces come together in their kit. I think it's a great addition to your Christmas list. If you're doing stocking stuffers for friends for any type of holiday, I'd say definitely check out Butter Linden's three-piece Pro Manicure set. And if you do, let me know what you think.